How are phones waterproof, even though the charging port terminals can be exposed to water and not short-circuit them? The answer? Usually they are water-resistant. But for the ports, there's a few tricks. The most commonly used is to have moisture detection in the port. This is pretty trivial. Basically, you have a circuit that measures capacitance, and if that circuit detects a change in capacitance, there's a big difference between the capacitance of air and water, then the phone will disable the port, as well as the ability to charge the phone until that's no longer the case. No power in the port means no short circuits. Of course, your ports are still vulnerable to corrosion from exposure to water, but the components in a phone are decently resistant to corrosion. The port being disabled is actually a very effective feature. If you dunk a circuit board in water, not recommended, that has no power going to it, it is likely that it will recover as long as it is exposed, cleaned off as much as possible, and left to dry thoroughly. If you leave the same board out to dry with a battery or power source attached, it will rapidly corrode and cause the circuitry to create shorts that remain even when it dries. The level of corrosion is significantly increased. With the phone shutting off power to the port when wet, it really helps to minimize the impact. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.